Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk about a common mistake in English language that you make, I make, we all still make because it's an easy mistake to happen as English language learners. It's nothing but the usage of very. Very itself is a simple and weak word. It doesn't add any sense to the sentence that we are using, rather it just magnifies the adjective. So let us see how to get rid of this common mistake and speak like a native speaker. I'm wearing a jacket today because it's very cold outside. I'm wearing a jacket today because it's freezing outside. Hope you understand the difference. In the first sentence, what I used was very cold and I replaced it with freezing in the second sentence, and you could understand what difference it made. So that is what I have to tell you. Instead of saying very cold, you can use freezing, chilly, as cold as ice, frosty, and so on. Coming to the next word, very good. This is something commonly used by most of us. Very good. The teacher is very good. The people are very good there. The shop is very good. What could be used instead of this? We can say terrific, excellent, brilliant, wonderful, splendid, and many others. So just remember that there are a lot of other words which could be used instead of very good. My kitten is very cute. You look very cute today. Why should we use very cute when we have other words like adorable, admirable, lovely? So let us replace very cute with adorable, admirable, and lovely. I'm very tired today. You look very tired. This is something we usually say in the evenings after our work or studies. So from today, you're going to replace very tired with exhausted, sleepy. The house looks so clean today. The house looks very clean today. This is also a common usage, very clean. So the other word that could be used instead of very clean is spotless. Spotless. The house is spotless. So guys, let us diversify the speech by adding more details. Avoid the usage of very and let us speak good English. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let us see in the next video. Bye.